Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the Cart Minimum Order Widget, a simple and effective feature that ensures customers meet a minimum purchase amount before proceeding to checkout. It's a great way to increase your average order value and encourage customers to add more to their cart. Accessing the widget. To access the Cart Minimum Order Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, then select Cart Drawer, Cart Order Summary, choose Cart Minimum Order. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Order Summary, Cart Minimum Order. Here, you can customize all settings. Goal amount. Set the minimum total customers must reach before checkout. Example, if the goal is set to $55, customers will need to add items worth at least $100 to their cart in order to be eligible to check out. Icon. Pick an icon to display next to your cart minimum order label. Example, info outline. Message. Display a message showing how much more customers need to spend to meet the minimum. Example, you still haven't reached the minimum order amount. Add amount to proceed. Achieve message. Display a confirmation message when the goal is met. Example, minimum order amount reached. You may proceed to checkout. And that's it. Your Cart Minimum Order widget is now ready. It helps guide customers toward meeting your minimum purchase goal, improving cart value and enhancing their shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with your Debutify theme.